Good, what's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. Happy Tuesday. Big announcement for today and today only. The Discord is absolutely free. My trade signals are still $10 a month. But for today and today only, you can join the Discord. We have over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Many chat rooms. We have a chart channel. We have open chat, juicy crypto chat. My exact entries, exits, and take profits will still be $10 a month, but today and today only, you can have free access to all chat rooms, and it will be the first link in the comments. All right, guys. We're going to go over our friend Bitcoin. Currently sitting at 19,248, down 1.17 on the day. We're sitting at market cap of 366 billion. 24-hour volume, 35.47 billion. Let's hop into the charts. All right, feeling in a good mood today. So a couple of scenarios that I'm looking at, as I mentioned previously, we're looking at a wave 1 down and a very shallow wave 2 pullback, and then coming down in a wave 1 and seeing a wave 2. So a couple of scenarios. Now, micro counting can be inaccurate. That's why I'm showing a couple of scenarios here. The first one is an ABC correction labeled here in orange. Let me grab my brush. Where we've come up in an A, this was a wave B pullback, and we've already put in our wave C, and now we're starting to come down. This could possibly be a wave 1. We're pulling back in a wave 2, starting to come down in the wave 3. That will take you down to about 16.4K. The second scenario is that all of this was a wave A. This is a wave B pullback, and now we're starting to push up in a wave C. So if that does happen, I would look for a potential rejection. If it's an ABC flat, could come up and get rejected at the golden ratio. If the C wave does push a little bit higher, which often happens, I'd look for a rejection off about 19.7K, which is the 0.786. But if we do just continue down here, then what we're looking at is the ABC was already complete, and we're starting to come down in that wave 3. If we do come up and break this wave too high, then we have to look at an alternative wave count. But as of right now, this is what's playing out on the charts. If we look at this chart here, if we were to push up, as I mentioned, all I think you would do is retest this downsloping trend line. I do not think you would break this trend line at 20.3K. We have multiple resistance levels. We have this downsloping resistance, and we have a supply zone at 20.3K. Where we hit resistance right here, and that could act as resistance once again. And as you can see right here, we came up, we hit this trend line, we retested it, rejection, drop. So we came up, we hit this trend line, we retested it, and I think we're going to see a rejection, and drop once again. If we do come back to retest that trend line, I do think it will happen eventually. Even if we drop further, we'll come back up to retest that trend line and then continue to drop, in my opinion. I do not think the bottom is in, as I've been preaching for months now. What bullish analysts will be looking at here is some sort of double bottom pattern, and now we're putting in another double bottom, and we have a bullish divergence. Of course, anything is possible, but not the probable scenario, in my opinion. The shorts have been exploding here. We take a measurement here. Let me zoom in from this low, September 19th. Shorts are up 86%. Now, of course, whales can take advantage of that, but that can be an early signal of continuation to the downside as the shorts begin to increase. Sometimes the whales will push the price up to grab the liquidity before dropping, and that's when you could see that push to retest these trend lines of resistance. The DXY, we do have a bearish divergence on the 4-hour. We do have a bull flag though if it does break out of this bull flag, but as you can see here, we basically had a triple fake out to the upside. This is why I don't trade patterns. So we faked out once, we faked out twice, we faked out 3 times, and we have a bearish divergence, which can signal some pullback. And if we do see some pullback, that's when you will see the price of Bitcoin go up. But if the bulls just step in here for the DXY and the dollar continues to pump, that's when you'll see the price of Bitcoin fall. All right, guys, so what we're looking for here is if we do see a push up, you'd be looking for some sort of 5-wave impulse into a wave C. So if you see something like a wave 1, a wave 2, you see a wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, then we'd be looking at a wave C. However, if you only see a 3-wave correction, then what we're looking at here is this is a wave 1, wave 2 pullback, come down in 3, 4, 5 to come down for that sub wave 3, which is here in yellow. All right, guys, we're making some juicy profits on our short trade with my trade signal in the Discord. Discord. And as I mentioned, today and today only, the Discord is free. My trade signals are still $10 a month, but you can have access to every single chat room and access to the Discord for absolutely free for today only. It will be the top link in the comments. Make sure to check out Bybit. That's where I do all my trading. $4,500 in bonuses over there. You can check out my full length tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.